is there any chance to have a ceasefire? Would you like to stop this war?
No.
Why? Why?
Because I'm scary.
Why are you scary? You have to be an extrovert. Please.
It's fun. Okay.
Wow. That's fantastic, bro. You are a handsome boy.
Okay.
So, do you think you are an introvert? Do you speak in English?
No.
No,
Little bit.
a little bit. Okay. We can manage, no problem. Because you are playing guitar,
I am play also in piano.
piano. Oh, do you have piano now?
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
I can play Bohemian Rhapsody. Do you know it?
Sorry?
Do you know Bohemian Rhapsody?
No, I don't know.
No. Just listen.
Okay. So you are from Ukraine, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So what is the situation now in Ukraine?
In my city.
Good, you are safe. The war between Ukraine and Russia doesn't affect your city.
My city, no.
Okay, it is not affected.
But in my capital, Kiev, bad situation.
Oh, so your capital city is affected a lot in this war. Okay.
Every day.
So is there any chance to have a ceasefire? Can you stop this war, you guys? Would you like to stop this war?
No, we just little people in that world. We can't stop war.
Oh, you can't. Yeah, because Russia is more powerful. Oh, that is okay. So I am very happy to see you because you are happy and you are safe. The war doesn't affect you. All the best, bro. All the best for your future. No, it's very difficult.
I can teach you.
Okay, please. How to say how are you in Chinese?
你好，你好。
Ni hao.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, and how to say where are you from in Chinese?
欢迎来到中国，欢迎来到中国。
Kwai Lato Tomba.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, I learned.
Wow.
So,
Oh my God.
do you guys love India?
Yes, I love India.
Have you ever visited India?
Oh shit. I no. That was.
I said, have you visited India?
No. No.
So,
Have you visited to China?
never, but it's my dream to visit China.
那个没去过中国。哦。Welcome.
Because China is a developed country and everyone wishes to visit China. So I am also one of those who want to visit China. So I'll definitely visit China if I get a chance. So would you guys welcome me?
中国。OK。Welcome.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is 索朗旺扎。
Sorry, come again?
索朗旺扎。
Soma Waltra
旺扎对旺扎。
Vancha.
Yes.
Oh, thank you so
Can
much.
speak Chinese. What's your name?
My name is Sagar Khan.
Start your hand.
Oh, wow. You pronounce perfectly. Wow, wow, wow. MashaAllah. So guys, let me ask you something.
Oh, yeah.
I have heard that Chinese people are trying to play cricket. Nowadays, they are trying to learn how to play cricket. So, is it true? Is it true news about Chinese people? Do you play cricket? Cricket. Sport. I'm talking about sport.
I English I don't know.
Okay, try, please try. You guys don't understand English?
Yeah,
Okay, no problem. So it is very necessary nowadays to learn English because it is highly required nowadays.
Yeah, we are 高中生是吧？没有学生。we are students. Students, yes.
You are students, okay? No problem. You have a lot of time to learn this language. Just it's a beginning, so no problem. Don't underestimate yourself. Don't take yourself lightly. Okay, you can learn easily, no problem.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher. I am an English teacher. Welcome. Thank you so much for your respect, guys. So you value teachers. I think it is a respectable profession in China. Am I right? Do you guys respect teachers in China? Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Oh, yeah.